So, rather than having to pass I plus 1 to your padro call, you could instead start your loop at 1. This would allow you to create a 1 indexed loop. So, what does that mean? Well, currently we have a 0 indexed loop. So, 0 index is 1, 1 index is 2. So, mentally having 0 transfer mentally practicing or mentally thinking that 0 index is to 1 and 1 index is to 2 is somehow would scream at confusion. So we for more readability, we have to change this 0 index to 1. So for now, with that, the index would now start at 1, not 0. Nice.